In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your trading dashboard by adding and organizing widgets on Robinhood using your web browser. First, let's begin by logging into your Robinhood account through your preferred web browser. Just head over to the official Robinhood website and enter your login credentials as you normally would. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can access your portfolio and explore various features. Now, to start personalizing your experience, look for the Robinhood legend. This icon is usually easy to spot on your dashboard interface. Give it a click, and this will open up a more detailed view of your trading workspace, allowing you to access advanced layout features. Next, check the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Widget. Click on this button to bring up the list of available widgets you can add to your layout. Robinhood offers several types of widgets to help you keep track of the information most important to you. These include watchlist, chart, options, news, and positions. Each widget serves a different purpose. The watchlist lets you monitor specific stocks. The chart provides visual data for a selected asset. The options widget is perfect for tracking options contracts. The news widget keeps you updated with related market news. And the positions widget shows your current holdings. After you select the widget you want to add, simply drag it to the desired location on your layout. The drag and drop functionality is smooth and intuitive, so take your time arranging your widgets to fit your workflow. You may want to group similar widgets together, or place the ones you reference most often in more prominent spots for easy visibility. Once your widget is in place, you can resize it by clicking and dragging its edges. This feature lets you adjust the size of each widget, ensuring that your dashboard space is used efficiently and that the information you care about is displayed clearly. For even greater customization, each widget has a set of options you can access by clicking the three dots located on the widget itself. This allows you to tailor the content within that widget. For example, you can change the symbol being displayed, select different timeframes for your charts, add indicators, and make other adjustments depending on what the widget supports. And that's all it takes to customize your Robinhood trading dashboard. Organize your widgets just the way you like and tailor your workspace to fit your trading style and information needs. Thanks for watching and happy trading.